Hey, so it's been a minute. I owe you Deathwing videos. They are coming. I have a job video, the job that she has. That video will be going up soon. The pauldrons I am still working on. I have had several hiccups making them, so I can't get the video of that out until I get them finished, or at least up to the point that they're ready to paint. They are very close. I'll show them in a minute. But for just a quick video that I thought would be cool would be to show my tattoo I got yesterday. Except that this video will be, I'll show like later. It's gonna be like next week, so you can see it when it's healed because it's all like gross right now. But yeah, so I got a tattoo on my forearm. Yesterday. I was very excited. I had planned on getting it before quarantine happened, so the quarantine happened and I had to wait. And so I finally did that yesterday. But I'm going to go ahead and show you a little clip of before I got my tattoo, which you'll see some of my older tattoos there. Be here. So yeah, that was before, and right now it's wrapped up with, I forget what the stuff's called, I guess they use it in hospitals or something. But, so ignore that, it's all wrapped up and gross looking, because this was from yesterday that it was done. Oh, and this was my first tattoo I ever got. I got the background filled in this time though, the same time I got this. So this is tattoo number 4 though. It wraps all the way around and it's super cute. So I will show you in a little bit what that looks later when it's all healed, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you where I'm at on the pauldron for Deathwing real quick since you guys have been waiting for that forever. So, it's getting there. This is where it's at so far. The chain was longer, but I had some, I guess my measurements got wrong at some point, so I took off the ones that were wrong. Gotta redo that. But overall, what's left for what you see is these get little rocky scales, and back here gets them too. But I've been having a lot of trouble with the LEDs, and I have to do the LEDs before I can do the mounting stuff, and I want to do all that in the video too. So that's what's taking so long. I am working on this, the last few times I worked on it, I failed. So it's a work in progress. This will hopefully, I will have good streak going on this next, and this will be up soon. So that's what I hope for. It'll be something like that. And like I said, the jaw video, I just have to do a voiceover for, so that'll be going up soon, but this will be up first. So yeah, I'll show you what my new tattoo looks like here next. This is day 2. Under the wrap thing still. So it looks real gross and weird, but yeah, we'll see what it looks like in a couple days. Of course, I'll link my artist below. He's super awesome if you're in the Central Ohio area. He's awesome. Okay, so this is 2 weeks. 2 weeks and 2 days after getting this tattoo. I forgot that I was doing a video on this, so I did not do little updates in between, but it didn't really change much over time, but this is how it looks now. It's mostly healed. There's of course some little bits of healing left to do, but overall it's pretty much there. I do absolutely love this tattoo. I do, but yeah, sorry for not doing more than have this big old gap in here. I forgot about it. But yeah, there it is. So excited. And I'll have links for the tattoo artist below, of course.